I eat like more health-oriented food. I'm not saying that my food tastes bad. I think I cook pretty good food for my meal preps. But I know that it's not something that everybody can do. Wife and kids, they don't necessarily want to have whole wheat pasta, sweet potatoes and ground beef, and some assorted veggies kind of like just chopped in the mix for fiber. They're not going to like that, having that every single night. And I don't even know if that's like a super, I don't want to say feasible, but a super efficient thing to do for your whole family every week. Imagine that fridge. So at least individually packed. So what I probably would suggest, something I used to do when I was in a relationship that had kids, is at least meal prepping and getting down, we're at the top here now, meal prepping and getting your proteins cooked.